Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to enable Face ID on Yahoo. I wonder why you want to know how to enable Face ID on Yahoo. Maybe because you want to secure your mobile phone by enabling the Face ID option. So whenever you open the Yahoo, it asks for a Face ID. Or maybe you think that someone else knows your mobile password, or maybe someone else uses your mobile, so you just want to keep your account safe on Yahoo by enabling the Face ID option. Or there could be any other reason for you to enable the Face ID option on Yahoo. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Yahoo, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you also have created your account on it, and also you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Yahoo to open it. Once it gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some options at the top of the screen and some options at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see in the middle of the screen we have the mails that you have done or sent or maybe have received on Yahoo. Right now, whenever I turn off this app and open it again, it did not ask for any Face ID. So we will see how we could enable a Face ID so that it could ask for it. So therefore, what you have to do is that you have to go to your profile, and if you have to go to your profile, there you could see at the top left side we have this profile icon, this one. You just have to simply tap onto that option to get into it. Once you get here, you will see this interface. First, you will read the title of account, and there you will see different options. Every option is different from each other. So here we have to go to this option which says settings. So just simply tap onto this option. Once you get into the setting, first you will read the title of settings, and there you will see multiple options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, as you can see, we have this first section which has 4 options. So you have to go to this last option which says Face ID and passcode. So just simply click onto it. Once you click on it, you will read the title of Face ID and passcode, and here you will see 2 options. So the second option is the option through which you can enable the Face ID option, and with the help of that, whenever you open this app, it will ask for a Face ID. Right now it is turned off, therefore you have to click onto that button. Once you tap onto that option, this option will be turned on, and after that it will ask you for a time, like how fast you want the Face ID to be enabled immediately, 1 minute, 30 minutes, and different options. So you can choose whatever option is most good for you. And once you close the app, and if you again tap on its icon, it will ask you for Face ID like this. So now what else you have to do here is that you just have to show this mobile phone to your face, and after that this app will be open. So that's how you can secure your account by just enabling the Face ID authentication on Yahoo Mail. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can enable Face ID on Yahoo. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.